Hello guys! Good morning, good morning! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, mag-unpack at haul and review po tayo sa ating new parcel na dumating. Ito po ay nagkakalaga ng 51.28 cents pesos. So, without further ado, buksan na natin. Ano kaya ito? Sana tama. Kadalasan po talaga, binubuksan ko na. Inaano natin, sinusure natin kung ito ay tama yung padala. Pero actually, lahat naman ay tama naman. Pero minsan may mga hindi rin. So, this is it. Oh, wow. This is lace. Wow. Look at this. Wow, nice. This is a panty talaga ito, kaya lang lace. Victoria's Secret po siya. Lace ang kanyang material. And see-through, very see-through. So, tingnan natin kung gaano kaganda siya. So, yung kanyang garter, firm naman yung pagka-stretch niya. Kapag hinila mo, tanggalin muna natin to. Kapag hinila mo, okay naman yung garter niya. Kaya lang, maliit ito. Look at this. Tingnan natin yung loob. Ayan, nice. Look at this quality sewing. It's so nice. Nice po yung kanyang quality sewing. Look at this. At ay nako, precise kaya pala. So nice. Pati yung kanyang overlock, look at this. So nice sewing. Good quality. Look at this. At naka-scallop yung ganito niya. At this is perfect because there is a lining here in the front. So nice. Very safe po ang ating private part. Huwag nga lang masyadong bubuka-buka ka dahil see-through po ito. Pero it's okay. Look at this sewing. Very nice. So, tingnan mo. Perfect ang dugtungan. Talagang quality po siya. So, this is so nice. So, this is sexy see-through lace lingerie panty from Victoria's Secret. So, tingnan natin. Free size at wala pong nakalagay na kung ano. Pero ito, hindi nyo po ito pwedeng i-washing. This is hand wash only. So, look at this. Nice. Very nice po ang kanyang style. And there is a good quality here. So, that is for today for our sexy lace see-through lingerie panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.